We've been doing a number of studies over a couple of years using the ECP devices to help recovery, particularly in elite athletes, and our sporting population of interest is rugby league. We did an acute study where we performed a repeat sprint test following a conditioning session after we'd had either the ECP or a placebo condition, and the players showed some increases in power output after they'd used the ECP, which led us to be a little bit more interested in some further studies. So our second study looked at the long-term use, so over a 4-week period of 2 to 3 sessions per week, where we used the ECP through our pre-season with the Brisbane Broncos elite professional rugby league team. What we found is that the players essentially had better responses of fatigue, so perceptual fatigue, how they rated fatigue, and also muscle soreness, and that happened virtually from week 1 of using the device. So consequently, we've been using the beds on a weekly basis as part of our recovery strategies for recovery between training and after matches as well. So some typical ways we might use the ECP beds from Renew is if we have 2 training sessions in a day. So for example, we might have a field session in the morning and strength session in the afternoon, and we'll use ECP as one of our recovery modalities in between those training sessions. The players have been very positive in their responses to using ECP. They certainly feel that their legs feel better after an ECP session, which helps them in that second session of the day. And certainly when we have matches that are close together, what we might do is we can't necessarily do any less training, so we do more recovery, and we'll include ECP as one of the modalities that we'll use to help the players recover when they have short turnarounds between games. The players have listed ECP as a preferential recovery modality as one of the choices that they put to the top of the list. I would definitely recommend ECP for anyone who's completing more than 1 training session in a day, whether that be a conditioning-based session or a strength-based session, but certainly if they've got to complete 2 sessions in a day, if you can jump on the ECP in between those sessions, it will certainly help recovery for that subsequent session. Or if they are completing multiple sessions in a week or in a very high training load period.